Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with ClearBooks Accounting Review My Usage Experience. ClearBooks Accounting Review My Usage Experience offers cloud-based accounting software designed for small businesses and freelancers. Its main purpose is to simplify bookkeeping and financial management, offering features like invoicing, expense tracking, and reporting. Their website provides details on specific features like VAT returns and payroll integration. Their website emphasizes ease of use and intuitive design as key selling points. They highlight transparent pricing with no hidden fees, although specific plans are detailed on their site. They don't appear to use any unique proprietary technology, instead relying on a straightforward cloud-based approach. Availability is worldwide, accessible via a web browser. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using ClearBooks Accounting Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The initial setup only took about 15 minutes, and the onboarding process was very clear and straightforward. I appreciated the guided tour that walked me through the main features. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I quickly learned how to create invoices, track expenses using their easy categorization system, and generate various reports. The performance was consistently good, the platform was always responsive, and I never experienced any glitches or lag. I had a quick question about VAT reporting, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, giving me a clear overview of my financial health at a glance. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated invoicing and payment reminders. It saved me so much time. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, although I understand they're working on that. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for tax calculations, but once I grasped the concepts, it worked perfectly. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with ClearBooks. It's a robust and user-friendly accounting solution that has significantly improved my financial management. That's my overview of ClearBooks Accounting Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.